Hey, good afternoon, Jen here, and I'm working on a big piece in yellow. It's when I'm looking at it on my phone, it looks very yellow-green, but it is actually more of a cadmium yellow. And then there are a couple places on this paper where I have mixed a little bit of vermilion. You can see that orange up at the top. And then some other places where I have added a tiny little bit of green. And then this is ink wash here, and then this is straight ink. And then this is gray number 2 in gouache, this right here. You'll notice how intensely blue-violet it looks, and that is the yellow generating that effect. Let's look at... So this is what they look like on their own. So I started with the cad yellow, which is in the middle, and I put that down over the whole thing. And then I added a little bit of vermilion, you can see on the left there, producing a little bit more of an orange yellow or a yellow orange. And then a green version, so some of the cad yellow with a little bit of hooker's green. And then the ink wash, and then the ink. And then lastly, the gouache in gray number 2 at the top. So if you look at the paper here, you can see how similar the gouache and ink wash look to each other. So that makes it even more amazing when you look at them in the situation and the effect that the yellow has on that gray gouache. So one way that you can use this is just pick any 3 colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. So if you're looking at a color wheel and you start with yellow, yellow-orange is on one side of yellow and yellow-green is on the other side. So any 3 that are next to each other, and then you can choose something from the opposite side of the wheel as an accent color. Now, I generated the accent color through the use of a neutral being acted on by the yellow. So you should try this and see what you think about it, and it's a lot of fun. So I'm going back to work, and I hope you're doing some painting today, and I'll talk to you soon.